Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video. So finally we have Silent Hill 2 for the PS5 in our hands. I'm so much excited to play this game guys. This might be the last bigger game, biggest game of 2024. So what a great way to end it. Okay, I think this game originally came out in 2001, which is 23 years before, and even that at that time that game was so haunted. Literally the music and everything, the OST was chills, and it was a masterpiece. I couldn't play it fully at the time, so now they have made this remake. This game does well deserve that. Okay, now let's not waste any time and get into an unboxing. Okay, I got it right. Now let's unwrap it. Okay, here we go. Let's put the knife and wrapper aside. There you go. This is the front cover of the game. It looks mysterious, I would say. Konami logo, Peggy 18. Okay, now let's turn it backwards. Here we have some codes from the game. If you want to read it, you can pause it right away. And it's 55 GB minimum, guys. That's great. I thought it would be more. And Ultra HD, blah 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 and stuff. Okay, now let's open it. There we go. Wow, look at the disc. It's same as OG, guys. Like it came out for PS2. Yeah, exactly. They have good, done a great job, guys. I would say it's epic. Okay, now let's take the disc out. Just ignore the background noise, guys. It's raining. There we go. Shiny is new as always. Inside we can see this. It's like suddenly if you look, it's like someone is watching you. It feels that way. Definitely they have designed it for this creepiness. Okay, let's put it back. There you go. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all like this video. I'll see you guys soon in the next one, which will be gameplay and everything. Until then, eat healthy, avoid accidents. You all know that's the secret to long life.